What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are doing something a little different. We are at Hernando County Fairgrounds, and they've got monster trucks out there, and look at this crowd. Look at this crowd. Crowd everywhere. People everywhere. And they got the monster truck track out there, and they got RC cars racing out there. That's pretty cool. So yeah, we've got a little day off, and we're going off with the monster trucks for the boys. So, all right, so we're in line here for the monster truck ride, and as you can see here, they take you for a ride in a full-size monster truck. Now, it's done up like Gravedigger, but it's actually called Identity Theft. It's kind of funny because it looks like Gravedigger. They strap you in, and you sit down, and they take you around a couple times. Kind of cool. They're over here in line. Hey, you ready?
Yeah!
Gravedigger. What you got there? Gunslinger. He's here today too. Alright, so now we are next in line. We are next to go. Are you happy? Uh-oh, someone's not happy. Someone is freaking out about going on. Identity theft. Oh man, bummer. That's a bummer. Here we go. It's our turn.
Are you excited? Yeah. Let's go. I'm gonna go. You can go behind. You're gonna go behind them. Grab the wheel.
Get it?
Well. Grab the wheel.
Got it?
Everybody melted in?
Yes.
All good.
Let's go.
Ready?
Woo! He's holding on. Woo! Good thing there.
That wasn't good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you, yes. All right, come on. That was cool. No, you're all right. We'll go check out the shirts. What do they got here? Oh, cool. Look at the little monster trucks.
I want that one.
Identity theft. Yeah, that's what we were just on.
Yeah, I want it.
That one's cool.
Yeah, I want that.
No, you have plenty at the house. We're not gonna get another one.
Yeah, it's not the same as that one.
There's Pit Row. We do have a Monster Jam truck here. Gunslinger way back in the back there. The line for the pits is insane. It goes all the way back there. That's where you go in. So I don't know if we're going to be able to get in line for that. that was pretty cool. We just watched the ATV races and the monster truck races. So now they're going to be doing the freestyle on the monster trucks coming up here soon. So.
Tornado.